Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop. Well, a little treat for you today. What you see right here is the first deliciousness of the season, and today is June 6th. I'll be picking this beauty tomorrow, June 7th. As you can see, right here it starts to yellow from the bottom up. On the other side it's still a little bit green, a light shade of green. But if you could smell this, you see it's how it's still a little bit green right there. It's got that sweet, sweet smell. Oh yeah, the first one of the season. So excited. It's been 2 years since I was able to pick mango from my queen. But this is gonna be so delicious. As always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Go watch some more of my videos. And I'll be coming with you with some new content pretty soon. Alright? Thanks guys, and I'll catch you next time.